1.7 acres with wonderful visibility and access. Once thriving convenience store with covered gas pumps which are still in place. Metal roof installed in 2016. Must-see huge space with endless possibilities. Second smaller 12 by 48 building for office, storage, etc. Reclaim its gas and convenience, restaurant or let your imagination soar. Great double access and road frontage on both roads with beautiful park-like setting facing Blue Ridge Highway. Highly sought after area of Blairsville with draws from neighboring commercial sites and awesome neighborhoods. Build your business here, they will come.